An air interception is usually triggered by an unidentified flying object heading towards NATO territory. We are, with our jets, we are very quick and we can cover a wide area of operations. So we can go there very quickly, we can enhance situational awareness, we can look basically at the target, look what it is, and we can determine if it poses a threat to NATO. And if it does so, we are determined to engage it with our options available and to defend and deter our NATO territory here on the most eastern flank. For myself, my pilots and my entire team, this is a very meaningful mission here, and we are trained to do this. We train this on a daily basis, every day at home, and we are ready for this mission. And here we can show and demonstrate what it means to bring stability to Europe.
When we take off on a hot alpha scramble, then everything is happening pretty fast. So it's an intense moment for us, sitting in the cockpit, getting airborne within minutes. We practice that along the normal training events that we have in our squadron back at home, but it's always something when you go airborne that you don't really know what's going to happen, then it's happening quick and you need to react in a perfect manner. And that's what we try to practice, and that's what we're here for, to establish the security of the people around. There's no room for mistakes in what we do here, so that keeps me motivated each day to be as close to perfection as it gets, to be a good part of the team and to help to secure what we do here. The best part about the Typhoon is thrust that can bring us in the air within seconds and just not make it stop. Whenever you advance the throttle to the max reheat section, then everything is going to happen pretty fast, and that's so cool.